Welcome to my gardening channel. Today, I will talk about flowers photography. I hope that you will be fine. If you want to get more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. Most beautiful flowers. The flower is one of the most beautiful structures in nature. Beautiful and attractive flowers of many species are found all over the world. And each flower is associated with different emotional meanings. And some flowers remain a very unusual center of attraction. Cherry blossom. Many beautiful flowers are found in this world. Cherry blossom is one such beautiful flower, which is a symbolic flower of spring. These flowers begin to bloom with the arrival of spring. Cherry blossom is a very small and delicate flower, and its color is normally pink. But the beauty of these flowers lasts only for 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, these flowers break off from the branches with strong winds and dry up. Birds of paradise. Birds of paradise is one of the most beautiful and rare flowers in the world. This flower is also known by many other names throughout the world. Birds of paradise flower is considered a symbol of freedom and bliss. By the way, this flower is found in many parts of the world, but it is mainly found in parts of South Africa. These flowers bloom between September and May, and these flowers are known for their orange and blue colors. When these flowers fly in the air, so it looks like a bright bird, and that's why this flower is named Birds of Paradise. Bleeding heart. Bleeding heart has very lovely and beautiful flowers in appearance. These flowers are often found in water, and they bloom throughout the year. The outer petals of bleeding heart are bright and pink in color, while its inner petals are white in color. This flower is heart-shaped. These flowers are mainly found in countries of China, Korea, Japan etc. of the Asia continent. This flower is considered a symbol of awakened love. Dahlia. Friends, you may have seen the flowers somewhere, but dahlia is a big and very beautiful flower. These flowers usually bloom throughout the year, and they can be up to 5 feet in length. Dahlia flowers are a symbol of creativity, inner strength, change and dignity. These flowers are of different colors, which forms a rainbow of flowers mainly using white, yellow, orange and purple colors. Dahlia is also used in various medicines and therapeutic work. Water lilies. Many beautiful flowers are found on the ground, but water lilies is a flower that spreads its beauty in water. It is a very beautiful and fragrant flower, which is found only in water. These flowers are well liked for their beauty and distinctive shape. Water lilies is also the national flower of Bangladesh. The color of this flower is usually white and blue. This flower has a special place in Tamil culture, where it is considered a symbol of the sorrow of separation. Gazania. Gazania has very beautiful and attractive flowers. They range from 6 inches to 12 inches and bloom on very small stems. The colors of these flowers are mainly white, pink, red, blue and orange. This flower is mainly found in South Africa. This flower blooms mainly in the summer season. This flower is considered a symbol of prosperity because of its beauty and attractive colors. Gazania flowers are also found in dry sandy conditions. Lotus. Lotus is also among the most beautiful flowers in the world. Lotus flower is also the national flower of India. This flower is mainly found in many countries of the continent of Asia. The lotus flower is considered quite sacred in Hinduism and Buddhism. This flower is considered a symbol of purity, beauty, wealth, prosperity, knowledge and happiness. Peace. These flowers are commonly found in white and pink colors. Lotus flowers are found in the leaves above the water, and this flower blooms in strong sunlight and hot weather, and this flower withers during the winter season. Dracula simia. Dracula simia looks exactly like the monkey's face. Dracula simia flowers can bloom in any season. Dracula simia flowers require high elevation sites to grow and thrive, and these flowers can grow up to 2 feet long. These flowers are commonly found in many colors, but their main colors are red, orange and yellow. These flowers are considered as a symbol of death. Also, these flowers are also considered as a symbol of strength. Orchid. Every flower in the garden looks very beautiful and attractive, but there are also some flowers which are used a lot in decoration. Orchid is one such flower. This flower is most used in decoration. These flowers are very fragrant and adorable. This flower is considered a symbol of love, beauty and strength. Orchid is also the national flower of Singapore. This flower is found in many countries of the world including America, Mexico, India, China. And their main color is purple. Happy alien flower. Many flowers exist on this earth, who fascinate everyone with their beauty. Happy alien is a flower that is completely different. It sounds similar to alien's laughing face. The flower was discovered between 1831 and 1836. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.